Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable your Instagram account temporarily. So if you want to take a break from Instagram and just disable your account temporarily, and when you want again re-log into your account and start using Instagram, you can deactivate it simply by first of all opening your Instagram app on your mobile device. And just so you know, this process is the same on your iOS device as well as your Android device. So once you open your Instagram app, go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on settings. Now choose the option help and then tap on help center. Now on the top right side of the screen you can see three lines, tap on it and then tap on the second option, which is manage your account. Now there you can see an option named delete your account, so simply tap on it. And here you can see the options, how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account and how do I delete my Instagram account. So since we are just temporarily disabling our account, we'll tap on the first one and now scroll down. There it'll show you the steps, but for now I'll simply show it to you. So tap on this link right over here which says log into instagram.com. And now you will be logged in, but if you don't, simply enter your username and password and you will be logged in. And now once you've logged in, again go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on edit profile. And now once you scroll down, you can see the option named temporarily disable my account, so tap on it. Now select a reason for why you are disabling your account, so it can be any of these reasons. So for now I'll simply select just need a break. And then once you re-enter your password and tap temporarily disable your account will be temporarily disabled or deactivated. And if you go to your Instagram app and log in using your credentials, you'll be again logged into your account and continue using Instagram. But in the meantime, while you have disabled or deactivated your account, people can't look up to your profile or search your name in the search bar or view your profile. So that is how you disable or deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on future videos such as these. Thank you.